Oh. Wow! I got a sapphire, guys! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the kitchen! Alright, guys, so today I am going to be trying out 2 new products by Craft City, Karina Garcia, aka Karina Garcia, and Guava Toys, aka Guava Juice, aka Roy. So yeah, basically, guys, this is the back anyway. Basically, guys, they just came out with some new thingy-majiggers, like new toys, new slime kits, and I saw that Karina has a bath bomb kit, and the Guava Juice has a bath bomb kit. So I just wanted to see, compare and contrast them, and see which one I like better, or which one has a dinosaur in it or something. I don't know, but we're just gonna go ahead and check it out, and yeah. And today's like my challenge to be this is comment down below which toy you have got. Like have you got Guava Juice slime kit or bath bomb kit, or have you got Karina slime kit or bath bomb kit? You guys comment down below and tell me what you think about them. And yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Go ahead and open up Karina's first. Craft City, make your own bath bombs, like Karina Garcia, Craft City. So, open this, look at that. We got molds, not gross mold, just molds. And then a bag, and yeah, ooh, I like that I didn't have to struggle to rip the bag out of the box. And for our Guava Juice, we have a whole bucket. I like the little idea of the bucket, it's cool, you know, like you got a bucket. Okay, let's open this up. There we go. Ta-da! We got molds, measuring spoon, color tablets, cornstarch, citric acid. Oh, well, I mean, we just have everything in here, so it's the same thing in there probably. Sea salt and baking soda. Oh wait, and then these little scents. Ooh, these are cool. They got like little scents, guys. A spoon and then directions. I like how everything in this kit is kind of just like piled up in there. They have different designs. So this one has a bag. All right, we got gemstones, that's cool. We have the molds, color tablets, sea salt, we got scents. Okay, so Guava Juice has apparently one more scent than this one. A spoon, a measuring stick thing, that's not a stick. Okay, a cornstarch, instructions, baking soda, and citric acid. Okay, alrighty, so let's get started on making our bath bombs. I like bath bombs, guys. Okay, so which one should we make first, guys? We're gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a bath bomb kit by its toe. With it hovers, let it go. My mom said to pick the very best, and you are not it. It's this one. So, you know what's cool about this is that you can make the bath bomb in the bucket. No, I don't think I can do that. Never mind. Alrighty, so let's read the instructions. Alrighty, so combine all wet ingredients into a small bowl and mix. Alright, so 1 color tablet. I'm gonna make a green bath bomb. So, how would I do that? I'll just go ahead and do yellow then. I have to put 2 color tablets, you know what I'm saying? 1 teaspoon of vegetable. I don't have vegetable oil. I have corn oil. Does corn oil work? Corn oil is gonna have to do. Alrighty, let's go ahead and pour that. Okay, teaspoon of vegetable oil, teaspoon of water. Ah! Okay, there's a teaspoon of water. Okay, and 20 to 40 drops of scent. Can I just add the whole bottle? Jeez. We all Gucci. Alright, so let's go ahead and get our scents. Ooh, we got apple, mint, and strawberry. That sounds really nice. I like those scents. Yeah, I'm gonna do apple scent. How do I do this? Oh, there we go. 2, 3. Okay, that's annoying. You have to really squeeze these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think I put like 20, guys. I'm not sure. But these are really hard to squish. It'd be nice if you only had to put like 3 drops, but like since you have to put 20, it's kind of annoying. Alrighty, so now I need a little spoon. So we're gonna get the spoon and we're gonna mix that all together. These color tablets are cool, but like kind of iffy at the same time because like, you know, you have to dissolve it, but like it's dry food coloring, you know? It's cool. Okay, well, it's not dissolving very much. I guess I'll just leave it. Now we gotta, once it's fully dissolved, how long is that gonna take? It says once the tablet is fully dissolved, then you're gonna go ahead and pour your wet mixture into a dry mixture. Alrighty, so I guess I'm supposed to make a dry mixture. Okay, so for the dry mixture, we need 3 tablespoons of baking soda. So where's baking soda? 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 2 tablespoons of baking soda. 3 baking soda. 1 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. I think that's what that means. All right, now we need like half of that, I think. Okay, there's half. And now we're gonna add the sea salt, okay? There's a lot of stuff we gotta do. Okay, 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt. 1 tablespoon, and a half a tablespoon. I'm confused. All right, and last ingredient is citric acid, and it is 1.5 again, so I'll just go ahead and do that. This doesn't look like citric acid, but I gotta try that. It's so sour. I hope this is edible. All right, 1 tablespoon, and half of whatever, the spoon. Half of the spoon. Alrighty, so this is not dissolved yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it to the side because I am not about to wait for that. Alrighty, and now you're supposed to, you know, I think I need to mix this really quick actually, now that I think about it. And I think this is your bath bomb mixture already. Now the oil is to, you know, keep it together. I feel like these instructions should be a little bit more detailed. Alrighty, let's do this. Gotta do it slowly. Go, 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 go. Seems like it's working. I don't know really what it says, but I'm just gonna kind of just, you know, eyeball this at this point. Okay, it seems like it's working pretty well. Why isn't it fizzing? Oh wait, no, it's fizzing. It's fizzing. Seems like it's working out pretty well.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, so here is my bath bomb mixture. I think I did a pretty good job. It's pretty good, pretty wet sand-like consistency. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a mold. It says once you're finished filling, blah, 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 blah. Basically, it just says to put it inside the molds now. These are really cool molds, by the way. Like, look at it. It like comes out, you know? Alright, this is a duck mold. I thought it would do good because, you know, I got like a pastel yellow going on here. Alrighty, so I packed it all into there, mushed that all into there, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the cap. Oh, that actually went in very well. I was wondering how that was gonna work because I thought maybe it gets stuck, but it actually went in pretty well. Alrighty, so I guess we're just gonna go ahead and leave this for about a year, and we'll come back to it when it's dry. Guys, next what we're gonna do is the Karina GARCIA one. So guys, I did these two. I did this elephant right here, and then this little ball thingamajigger. The green side isn't the best, so I just gotta warn you. So we're gonna leave that there, and we're gonna go on to Karina GARCIA while that dries. First, what we gotta do is get the instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna make the wet ingredients first. So first you need a color tablet, so we're gonna get the color tablet. We're gonna make this one pink. We're gonna try at least, I guess. All right, then we need a teaspoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of oil, a teaspoon of water. Guys, this is very, very similar to the other one. It's actually like exactly the same. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the essential oil once I open it. Alrighty, so for the scents we have jasmine and lavender scent. I think I'm gonna take this. Oh no! Ew! Alright, we're gonna go ahead and go with jasmine. Alright, I'm gonna take the food coloring out because I want it to be pink and hopefully it turns pink. Here we go, that's good. Let's mix that together, do the hokey pokey, and you turn your life around. Alright, I'm all done. That smells good. Next, now we're gonna go ahead and make the dry ingredients, which is exactly the same thing too. So I'll just go ahead and do that really quick. 1 tablespoon and a half. Then we're gonna need the baking soda, and we need 3 tablespoons of that. Then we need sea salt and citric acid. So we got the sea salt right here, 1 teaspoon and a half. 1 tablespoon actually, and citric acid. Alrighty, let me mix the dry ingredients really quick. Alright, let's go ahead and add our oil to there now. Okay, well, for some reason this isn't turning out very nice. Like, it seems a bit too wet. You guys think the essential oils in this one is different? It smells good. It smells like the stretchy ice cream I made. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and put it in our molds. Alrighty, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna just use a circle mold. Guava Juice has 2 like animal molds, and Karina has 1 mold, animal molds, a bear, and 2 balls molds. I like the Guava Juice molds more. Alrighty, we're all done, kinda, almost, there we go. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and let that dry. Alright, let's make the other molds though, because we have 1 more ball mold and a little cute bear mold. This is really cute, I really like it. Okay guys, so I just realized, I forgot, but we have like these little hidden treasure gem thingies that you're supposed to put in the thing, and I forgot. So we're gonna put it in. These are cool jewels, they look cute. Alright, we're gonna put this little one right here. I like that one, it's pretty squished in there. And then this little square thingy-majigger. Ah! We're not gonna put that. Now we squish it together. Alrighty, and we are all done. Oh, whoopsies, what did I do? It's been like an hour since I did the Guava Juice ones. And you're just supposed to wait like overnight or like 5 hours. But like, it doesn't really matter that much. So, just till they're dry. I'm gonna see if they are dry yet and if we can use them. Alright, is it gonna work, guys? Ooh, this one is really pretty. Look at how pastel it is. I love the duck mold, it's so cute. I hope we don't ruin it. It seems kind of wet still, but like it's stuck and I don't wanna. All right, I'm gonna wait because I don't want it to break. But they're almost dry already, so we just gotta wait like probably another hour or two. So yeah, and I guess I will see you guys later.
Much later.
Alright guys, well it's been like 2 hours, but probably only a second for you. Anyway, so we got our stuff here. First of all, the lid I think popped off from here, or somebody took it off, I don't know. But anyways, here is our duck. Let's go ahead and try and push it out. Oh well, that's hard to push out before. Okay, I really like the mold. It's nice because you can like push it out, but like, it doesn't come off, guys. My dog. At least I can like, I guess I can use that. This is as stressful. Are you kidding me? My dog. Oh, that would have been so cool. But if this comes out now, I'm gonna get so mad. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and take one of Karina's, which is this one. We're gonna do this little bear that is super cute. Let's see, maybe this might be easier to take out since it's like a different shape. Oh my god. Okay, no, not this again. No!
One long angry line later.
I did it! Oh my god, that one is so cute. I really like the face of this one. Smells weird. What was this? I think it was mint. It smells like rotten apple. I don't know why. Okay, guys, so we have one Karina Garcia bath bomb and one Guava juice bath bomb. Okay, let's do this. I feel bad not using this in the bath, but like I don't even have a bath, so you know, whatever. All right, let's do this, guys. Should I just like drop it in, or should I just do like a little part? Well, they're like the same exact thing. I love the duck though. The duck is so cute. Just trying to like, you know, crunch it like in those ASMR videos, you know, like I'm trying to be aesthetic, you know. Oh, wow! I got a sapphire, guys. Crunch that up. Oh, look at how cute that is. I'm trying to just like crunch it, you know, but that's like really hard. There we go. That's cool. Alrighty, well these were like the exact same thing. This one, the only difference is this one had a gem in it and it was, you know, different. But like, they're basically the same thing, guys. Alrighty guys, so Paul tried to take out the elephant on this one and he broke it, and then I tried to take this off and I broke it, and it's just, now it turned into this. Alright, so now this one is from Karina's kit, I think, yeah. Turned out pretty good. This one's actually kind of like squishy, like we put too much oil in it, I think. But it actually turned out pretty good. But let's see, maybe the fizzes will be cooler. Ow. And then we have this one. This is Guava juice kit. Actually, half of it, I think I put too much liquid into. I don't know if you guys can tell. Alrighty, well we're just gonna have to do with that. I have an idea though. I always see on Instagram people will like cut their bath bombs and stuff. So I'm gonna try and do that, you know? And let's not do that. Alrighty, let's just go ahead and put, I'm sorry, these have holes in it, so would I be able to put like it in the bathtub, you know? Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and try this. Okay, now let's go ahead and put that, whoopsies, put this. You guys see how it crystallizes? Like, look at that, isn't it so cool? These feel really good, like they're like soft, it's cool. Hey, what if I put this and this? That smells really good, whatever this is, I think. You know, I think it was actually the Guava juice one. Alrighty, well that is it. We have that thing, and we also have part of an elephant, so we can just go ahead and try that. Alrighty, I'm gonna try and do another shot on my aesthetic cutting with this part of an elephant. Look at that, yeah. Okay, and then we also have this one. This one kind of just fell apart, but it looked really cool because I made it green, but then after I put like these, it has like these little spots of red and stuff, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut those. It has gems in it, but that just, no. Oh yeah, so aesthetic. Well, what's the point of the gem now? All right, we do a little bathtub cocktail. Yeah. What did I do on that one that I went so crazy? And we also have this little thing that I made. It was leftover and I just squished it like that. Maybe we can be aesthetic with that. Nope. This is so satisfying. This is why I don't do satisfying things, guys. Can it get out? There we go. Ta-da! And that's how you get the bath bomb out of the container. If you like today's video, make sure you comment down below because we'll do another one of comparing and contrasting. And yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!